Hello, fellow gardeners. If you've ever found yourself staring at a shelf full of organic fertilizers, unsure of which one will truly help your strawberries thrive, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of organic fertilizers to find the best options for growing luscious strawberries. Let's start by understanding why strawberries need proper nutrition. As delicious as they are, strawberries are quite demanding when it comes to nutrients. The right fertilizer can make all the difference in their growth and yield. But with so many choices out there, how do you pick the best one? The key is to focus on organic fertilizers that provide balanced nutrition, enhance soil health, and support sustainable farming practices. First up, let's look at compost. A well-rotted compost is a fantastic all-rounder. It's packed with nutrients and improves soil structure, helping your strawberries get off to a great start. Next, consider using bone meal. This organic fertilizer is rich in phosphorus, which is essential for root development and flowering. Perfect for those juicy berries. Don't overlook blood meal either. High in nitrogen, it's ideal for leafy growth early in the season. Just be cautious with the amount, as too much nitrogen can lead to more leaves than fruit. For a balanced approach, look for organic fertilizers labeled as strawberry food. These are specially formulated to meet the needs of strawberry plants, providing a mix of nutrients that encourage both growth and fruiting. As we wrap up, remember that the secret to successful strawberry cultivation lies in understanding your soil and plant needs. So there you have it. With the right organic fertilizers, your strawberries will not only taste better, but will also be part of a more sustainable gardening practice. Happy gardening, and may your strawberry patches flourish.